is a letter to somebody I met on Earth Day. I shall not reveal his name, but I call him Caveman. And if you ever meet somebody who resembles the person that I'm talking about, please do not tell him about this. Dear Mr. Caveman, when they asked me to write a poem with the theme of moving and city, or moving words, or moving within the city, I was perplexed, confounded, and nostalgic. Perplexed because I don't really know what to write, like a poem, like the one that Puja Nancy just mentioned. And I was nostalgic. You see, moving is an activity that I'm very much familiar with since I was 7. Moving from a small provincial town called Bondowoso in East Java, which is famous for tape. It's a dessert made of center tapioca that tastes somewhat like durians and red wine. And I moved to an island called Singapore, an island that was actually filled, to my 7-year-old eyes, that's filled with colorful tombs. And I was confounded as to what to write, because I am the sort of person who, when somebody says yes, I will say no. When somebody tells me don't touch this, you know what I'll do. And when they ask me to write a poem about moving city, you think that it is going to be about moving. Well, I have moved so many times all my life, studying and working in 5 different cities, that when somebody tells me to write a poem about moving, and I ask myself, well, why should I? Why should I move? Why should I write a poem about moving when I've done that all my life, being an urban nomad? I can't move because I feel that my energy is stuck here for the longest time. I can't move. I can't do Reiki with a lot of pleasure. I don't feel like my energy is moving because I feel like sequestered in this city full of tombs rather than forests and rivers where I was used to and where I was born in. I can't move because whenever I want to do something or whenever I don't want to do something, there will already be a policy or some campaign from the government top down who tells me what I can't do, what I cannot do, what I can do, with reinforcements, with punishments, with penalties, with fines. So I can't move. But cavemen, you have moved. You have traveled around the world. You have dropped your 9-to-5 job. You have quit from a position that gave you a 5-figure salary per month. And you have traveled all over the world to meet shamans from Peru, to farm in South Africa, to build your bamboo school in Bali. And if you say that we belong together, I will move mountains. I will move mountains if you say we belong together, even though in actual fact, Singapore doesn't really have any mountains. It has a bukit, which is a hill, and Mountbatten has got nothing to do with scaling rocks and climbing ropes. So, I'm an Easterner and I've lived in Bedok, Chai Chee, Siglap, Tanjung Katong, and most recently Ceylon Road. And very soon, for lack of cash, since you know I am a poet, and poets are usually cash-strapped, I may have to move to the armpit of civilization, Pasir Ris. No, sorry, Joo Koon, sorry. And for you who work at Bottle Tree Park at Khatib. If you want to, you will find me. Take bus number 279 from across Khatib MRT. It will take you all the way to Tampines in 22 minutes flat. Then you take the MRT to Paya Lebar, get to the Circle Line, one stop to Dakota MRT. Take bus number 16 or 33, only 2 stops to get off the gas station, the bus stop gas station. Cross the road, watch for the cars, and walk 100 meters into Ceylon Road into my apartment of 85A Ceylon Road, and yes, you will find me. Yes, you will find me. So, I am supposed to write a poem about moving, but I want and I can't. But if you tell me that we belong together, if we have a chance, and that there is rhythm in the universe and timing for us, then yes, I will move. I will cross the ocean for you. Thank you.